Hey everyone, today we're diving into the fascinating world of stem cells and their potential. Could they be the miracle of future medicine? Let's find out. Segment 1. What are stem cells? Stem cells are essentially undifferentiated blank cells. Under the right conditions, these cells can transform into specialized cells to repair damaged tissue. Imagine if you injured your shoulder, stem cells could help repair the damage without surgery. Segment 2. Celebrities and stem cells. Did you know that many celebrities are big fans of stem cell technology? Take Joe Rogan, for example. He claimed he had a shoulder injury, and after using stem cells, his injury healed. Sounds incredible, right? Well, research shows that stem cells can indeed be effective in similar situations. Segment 3. Costs and availability. The cost of stem cell treatments typically ranges from $10,000 to $30,000. It's pricey, but the costs are gradually coming down. Many stem cell clinics are located abroad in places like Mexico, Panama, and Colombia due to regulatory restrictions. Segment 4. The future of stem cells. Stem cell research is advancing rapidly. Although it's not a cure-all solution yet, there have been significant strides in areas like immune system health and tissue repair. Many experts believe that the future of medicine might heavily rely on stem cell technology. Conclusion: if the price were reasonable and you knew more about stem cells, would you consider trying them? I find it pretty fascinating and might give it a shot. In the next few years, follow me for more cool health insights, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, if you're interested in how to activate your stem cells, check out Region Boost Stem Cell Mobilization Formula, a health supplement designed to help you stay healthy.